What's up guys, Jim here. In today's video I'm going to show you how to replace your Ford Focus oil pressure control solenoid on your 2018. It's quite a common fault on these current diesel Ford Focuses. I'm going to show you how to do it. This is the fault code you're likely to see in an engine management light should it go faulty. Now remember, if your car is 3 years old or less, you may be able to get it done under warranty, but if not, I'll show you how to do it. Let's get started. Solenoid we're going to use is the genuine Ford part. There's a part number just in case you were wondering. Let's open the box and see inside. So what does this valve actually do? Well, it's a crucial part used in every engine that has variable valve technology or variable valve timing, and it regulates the supply of oil to the variable valve timing hub to advance or retard the timing by altering the camshaft angle position. When it goes faulty, it's likely to bring the engine management light on like this one has. It could even give you a rough engine idle, decrease your fuel economy, or just make your vehicle stutter under load. A worst case scenario could lead to premature engine wear and tear. So where is it? Well, it's just above the oil filter on this model of car. You can see here where the arrow is. It's held in with a 10mm nut and it's got an electrical plug connected to it. Alright, now I'm going to show you how to remove it. If you look up here to the right of the oil filter, you'll see the oil pressure light switch, and to the left of it you can see the pressure control solenoid, which is obviously the thing we're replacing. So I'm going to use a 10mm socket and a quarter drive ratchet to undo the 10mm nut, and then we're going to take the plug off and it should just pull out. Sometimes I find because of the lack of space I can't get my little sausage fingers in there, so I use a little pick to pull the tab up on the plug and then the plug just pulls off. With the old solenoid out, just inspect it, make sure it's not damaged in any way and it's come out complete. Make sure that the O-ring's still complete and has come out with it as well. And then grab your new one and just make sure it is exactly the same. And it's just a case of refitting it in the reverse order and remembering to clear the fault codes. That's it. Easy. There's no need to reprogram anything or relearn anything. That's it. Besides cleaning off the tiny bit of oil that was spilt, pulling it out. Well, there it is, all fitted, a nice new one. As you can see, I've still got to clear off the oil I've spilt. But if you like that video guys, please remember to hit that like button, subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.